for these two questions down at the bottom of the page, there's one question that asks, how does changing the a value, that's the amount that you're multiplying by, how does that affect the slope of the function? And how does that affect the y-intercept of the function? So to answer this question, you may want to look back at the graph. I put a graph here, but it isn't the correct graph for this assignment. What I did is that for this light blue line right here, I just multiplied the function by the a value of -1. I dilated the function by -1. And that's the line that happens. So according to this line, how did that, changing that a value, that -1, how did that affect the slope? And how, if at all, did that affect the y-intercept? So look at this light blue line. How did the slope change between the black line and the light blue line? And did the y-intercept change? Okay. Then on the dark blue line, what I did is I took the original function and just translated it down by 4, -4. So that -4 is being referred to as the d value here. And the question is, how did changing the d value affect the slope of the function, and how did it affect the y-intercept? So look up here and ask yourself, how did this -4 affect the y-intercept of the lines, the black line here and the dark blue line? What happened to the y-intercept? And did changing this by -4 change the slope or not? So that's what you're writing about in questions 2A and 2B. And again, just remember that this here is not the answer for E. I'm just using this graph to show you what to do for the questions down below.